start with a pinch twist, about 1 inch. And then you are going to make 4 fold twists to proportion your size a little better so you don't mess up. You can fold it like this to check and see where you might end up. So we're going to make them a little bit smaller than that. About 5-inch fold twists. The last fold twist is the hardest, and keep that in mind. Now because it looks like a big bunch, we're going to position the flowers or petals at a sideways angle. Otherwise, they will not lay in there. And there's your 4-leaf clover.